Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. Today is May 5th, 2014. Time for our daily Forex chart review. Basically in these sessions each day I share the trades I'm placing, adjustments to existing positions I put on the market using a price action based approach, swing trading, price action sort of. That's the basic style of my approach applied to the Forex market. Of course, we have a whole bunch of information from beginners to more advanced and covering various niches, other markets as well over at InformedTrades.com. Check it out. Big learning archive. Share your knowledge and we can all sort of learn together. Let's get started with taking a look at the charts I have, or the trades I have on at the moment. Well, today I'm placing, this is an Aussie Canada trade, which I did place. That's the one order I placed today. But let's take a look at the existing positions I have on in the market. And let me just pull up my account here real quick. Okay, so there's Canada Swiss. That's one trade I have on. And I've had, with my style, I'm looking for basic trends that I can ride for a while. Buy the dip, classic swing trading approach, finding those key turning points in the market and sort of riding a trend. Canada Swiss, here we are. I've entered this position a while back, almost a month ago. Just been holding on. You can see it's been in a consolidation. It's been consolidating a bit. So we're almost at break even, slightly in the money at the moment. We got 50 simple moving average as support. We also have the 50% retracement from this swing low to this swing high. So I think and plus we have a range here. So I think this is a reasonable consolidation going on. And I'm tempted actually, when you have a market consolidate for a month like this, I'm actually kind of tempted to move my target profit higher. Of course, let's see, we also have a pattern of lower highs in place, so we might be on our way to this stop. My position is not at break even. It's got to close this above this orange level. So we'll see. I might actually, as a compromise, take half off at some point, somewhere around here, and then let's see if we can get here. But that's the bullish scenario. For now, it's just waiting. The next time to make a move is to see if we can close above this, at or above 80.79. Then I'll move my stop to break even. So that's Canada Swiss. Normally, I like to be able to move my stop to break even sooner. When it's not at break even, my risk is still the trade is taking a risk, meaning it's I could lose money on it, and so that's affecting how many trades I can put on. There are other opportunities I'll pass up because I have risk exposed here. When my stop is at break even, I'm no longer in that situation. The trade has been de-risked. So I don't like it. I try to time trades or find opportunities where I don't think I'll be able to move the break even reasonably quickly. Canada Swiss is an exception. That's taken me about a month. Not a huge, and that definitely is going to occur. Sometimes not a huge deal, but that's something to consider. And when I'm reviewing my trade, something I'll be bearing in mind. Euro Australian dollar, I entered here. Now we are almost at the break-even level. Anytime you see this dashed orange line on my charts, these charts from TradingView.com. Anytime you see the dashed orange line in there, that's the level I will move my stop to break even. Right now my stop is here. I'll move it to here. So almost at the break-even point. Target profit's way up here. So far so good on this trade. We'll see. You can see the market is really respecting this resistance level. It needs to close at or above that level before I can de-risk the trade. So that's Euro Australian dollar. We have, and then my yen trades, and I've mentioned this a bunch. InformedTrades.com/Japan. I really think shorting the yen is one of the biggest opportunities in the Forex market. Long-term trends, the fundamentals behind the Japanese economy are really problematic. So I'm looking to have as big of a position shorting the yen as I safely can for the bulk of the trend. So my target profits here are very far out, thousands of pips away. Euro yen, I'm almost ready to de-risk this trade. Once it clears above this level, I'll move my stop to break even. We can see we've peaked above it a couple times. Haven't closed above it yet, so we'll see. Pound yen. Now this is the yen trade that's worked out the best for me so far. I've already taken half off, and the trade has been de-risked. So this is just waiting. The profit target here. Let's move to the monthly chart. We can see is very far out. Yeah, you can see the profit target is all the way here, 2,000 pips away, 2,100 pips away at this point. So that's that. And actually, this I can delete this 162 line. Okay, now we also have dollar yen. Oh, okay. Well, these charts are dollar yen's not loading, but that position is very similar to euro yen. The difference is my euro yen trade is not de-risked, right? So my stop is not a break even. On dollar yen, it is. That position is very slightly in the money. It's only 30 pips above my entry point, which is also my stop. So if the market falls 30 pips on dollar yen, that will hit my stop. I won't lose any money. Of course, I won't gain any money. But that's where we're at on dollar yen. So I've got 5 trades on at the moment, 2 of which have been de-risked. So I've got 3 trades where if my stop gets hit, I will actually lose money. And I'm risking 0.25% on each of those trades. So I have a 0.75% of my account at risk, and I do have a couple entry orders on at the moment as well. Let's look at Aussie Canada. And that's the order I put on today, which I think might get filled. Right now we are 18 pips above my entry point. So my entry point order is here, and we see a hammer candle off a 61.8 Fibonacci retracement line. The 50 moving average is right around here too. But I think really this market, what I'm expecting is that this candle signals that bulls are stepping in and defending this level. We'll see. That's sort of the speculation. Now we just need to come back a little bit. Oh, my stop is actually, this is not where my stop is. My stop is a little bit higher. It's right there. Yeah, it's like 94. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm entering at 101.53. My stop is at 100.94. This is very hard to get the exact price. Let me try to get it. There we go. Oh. Well, something like that. Basically, right around here. The basic speculation is that this candle's low will not be breached. We'll see. Entering here, target profit here, so it's just barely 3-to-1 reward risk, which is my requirement. And that's see, we're 18 pips away, so let's see if that order gets filled. If we just rally without coming down, then the order won't get filled. I also have a dollar Swiss order on, and I don't know if some of these charts are having a little bit of trouble loading. Yeah, I don't know if this order is going to get, if we're going to be able to see that chart. Let me see. One thing I can do is I can actually share some other charts I have on. Just 1 second here. Okay, so let's take a look at dollar yen. Yeah, so my stop is like we're at 102.80. My end is like right here basically. This is where I entered, and I move my stop to break even here, right around there, and the target profit is way out. It's like 120. So we'll see. Hopefully, I mean the stop may get hit. Realistically speaking, this is where I move my stop to break even here. And maybe I did that a little prematurely because if price fell down here, I'm tempted to re-enter. We'll see. I might try re-entering. We'll see if I get filled or how that works. But that's dollar yen. And the order I have on, one more is dollar Swiss. And dollar Swiss, I have an order to go short that, so we need the market to rally. You see clearly in a downtrend, that's what I like about it. But it needs to rally 60 pips, so I'm shorting from basically right here. You can see this is a clear resistance level right here, established here. There we go. Yeah. So we'll see. The price can rally 60 pips. That'd be interesting to get the dollar Swiss short. And you can see, here's a long wick. So often when I see a wick this long, I don't know if price is really going to go back and all the way to the end of the wick. We'll see. That's sort of what I'm looking for. That's about it for the trades I have on at the moment, the orders I have on. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us at InformedTrades.com. Best of luck in your trading, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.